Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign, this is July monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So what are the messages for Scorpio water sign and what's going on? Under the deck, Ace of Wands, the Star, and Seven of Swords, and King of Cups. Someone is sneaky in this connection, miscommunication, false communication. But there is some positive shift is coming into your life, Scorpio. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Aquarius. And Ace of Wands, new beginnings in career and a relationship. Also, there is a chance for new beginnings. It could be with new person, or it could be with past person. It depends. So let's see your reading recent past. Queen of Cups, Ten of Swords, and Three of Pentacles. You have very strong emotions towards this person, but there is one issue between you and your person. Especially there is no partnership, there is no collaboration between you and your person, and you're very tired and you're very drained. I think you only the person always taking care of this relationship. They always in and out of your life. But you still love them. You're still giving many chances to that person, but there is no change in their behavior. That's why you are very tired here, Ten of Swords energy, but somewhere you still want this person in your life. Then present Knight of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and Hanged Man. You're feeling stuck. You're feeling stuck on this person, thinking about this person a lot, but someone is coming into your life. For some, it could be a brand new person. For some, it could be past person. So, you still want this person back. You still want to fight for this connection. Yes. Then future, Seven of Cups, Six of Cups, and Nine of Cups. You are wishing for this connection. You are praying for this connection. And you are thinking about this person a lot. For some, you are believing that this person could be your soulmate because Six of Cups. Yeah, for some it could be true because you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. But you still have confusion and you're confused totally regarding this relationship. You're wishing for this connection. You want this person in your life. But there is no clarity from their side. So you are in some confusion type. You totally confused. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Could be under Scorpio or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, Ace of Cups, wow, Empress, and Eight of Cups. So maybe they walked away, always they in and out of your life. But now maybe they thinking about you that you are their empress. Maybe they're thinking that you are very independent and powerful person. At the same time, maybe woman could be pregnant in this connection or maybe a mother. And Ace of Cups. Yeah, they do love you, but they're not expressing. They want you, but they don't want responsibility. That type of situation. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Okay. Knight of Swords. Two of Pentacles. Seven of Cups. I think your person have options for some, lot of you. That's why they're juggling. They don't know which one they have to choose, but they are in rushing to communicate with you. There is communication. They're thinking about to communicate. And under the deck, Seven of Wands and the Hierophant and King of Swords. So yes, they wanna give clarity to you. Hierophant, they're thinking about commitment, and there are some obstacles in this connection, but your person want to overcome those obstacles. Yes, if they have options, they are going to be choose you. They're thinking about to choose you because right now your person is juggling, but they're planning to communicate with you. So let's see their intentions. Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Seven of Wands, and under the deck, the Hanged Man, Nine of Swords, and Eight of Wands. Here they want to communicate with you. Right now they're missing you so much. If you are in separation with this person, they're missing you so much and they're losing their nights over you. They're stuck on you literally. Literally they're stuck because Eight of Swords and the Hanged Man. They are stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot, Scorpio, and they will fight for your attention. Even though they're stuck, when this energy is gone, they will come back and they will fight for your attention. For some, your person right now may be focusing on their career. They have other things to do. That's why maybe they're not right now focusing. They're not unable to focusing, no, because someone or their family could be restricting them, but they want to overcome these obstacles. They will fight for you. They will fight for you, this connection. They are stuck even though they are busy with their career, but they're thinking about you 24/7. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. Yes, they want to make action very soon, but right now they're feeling stuck. That's why there is slow moving energy. Knight of Pentacles with Three of Wands waiting. Definitely waiting. He's here because right now they're stuck, but they want a positive growth in this connection. They are expecting something positive in this connection. Ten of Pentacles. I think there is financial stability is coming for you, Scorpio, and you want stability. Without stability, maybe you decided to walk away. You want marriage. You want best thing. You want stability and you want marriage. Less than that, you don't want. And Seven of Swords with the Star. Maybe there is something positive is coming in your way. At the same time, Seven of Swords is a red flag. So maybe they're playing games with you. Be careful. If third party involved, if a person is a player, then there is no need to wait. So let's see mutual for some third party involved in this connection. Maybe you decided to walk away for some because there is no stability. Maybe you are not trusting this person. Page of Pentacles. But communication is coming. For some, children also involved in this connection. Decision making. Judgment. For some, maybe you both going through some legal issues or one person going through legal issues. Definitely both are juggling. Finally, there will be decision making. I think you both will discuss and make a decision, or maybe decided to walk away, but they will coming back. It's up to you to accept or reject, Scorpio. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Free yourself. Yes, if this person is sneaky, then free yourself. Text is coming. I need some space now. I'm just not ready yet. Decision time. Yes, it's a decision time for the connection. Stability is coming. So the messages are stability is coming, free yourself, text is coming, I need some space now, I'm just not ready yet, decision time. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. So your dreams need a practical plan. So if you want to achieve something, first you have to plan it. You have to prepare a plan. Then second message, a personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer, Cancer energy, Taurus and Cancer energy. So if you're waiting for solution for your personal problem, then very soon solution is coming. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.